Hi everyone, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Welcome back everyone. Anyone new, hi, welcome. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up as well and hit that notification bell, as they say. What do I normally do? I review headphones, audio gear, that sort of stuff, and also look at smartphone cameras and any other piece of tech I quite like or I think will be useful for you to know about. So these are the Beyerdynamic DT1990 Pros. Are they still relevant in 2021? Answer is yes, but why? First, let's take a look at what's in the box. So I really quickly want to show you what's in the box. Comes in this really huge box, made in Germany. It says here, the DT990 is an open back. They do a 1770 Pro, which is for closed back. It says here, Tesla technology, brilliant highs, richly developed, detailed, mid-range, precise bass to control a sublime quality with incredible build quality. But what's actually in this box itself? So you actually get this hard case. I've taken the headphones out. I'll show you the headphones in a second. Just want to show you what else you get in here. So you get a nice zip bag for putting your cables in. There are two cables. I've obviously got one fitted. You also get a second pair of pads, which is so good to have the pads. This is the straight cable, and again that is 3.5 like so, to the mini XLR. It's just such a neat package to have and to be able to transport your headphones on the go. And that's a nice zip. I do like this, isn't that smart? So here are the headphones themselves. I've been using it connected to the THX portable DAC. I've also been using the iFi IDIS, the Diablo. This sounds unreal with these headphones, just fantastic, such good combination. So if you look at the headphones in more detail, look at the build quality on these. Metal, there's your current pads that are fitted. You've got nice movement there, really nice soft headband, mini XLR plug. You know, they are just fantastic. And what you can buy, get these for, the price does range, but let's just say, I think pound for pound, these represent incredible build. Everything's replaceable as well, so you've got longevity there from the cable. You can see you can unscrew each part here. Just a really super duper build quality. But what we really want to talk about is how do these sound in 2021 versus some of the current crop of really good headphones. So let's talk about that. So you've now seen what's in the box. We're going to talk about sound quality, what they sound like, and how they amp up as well. So these are the tracks that I normally use from all my audio, headphone and audio reviews. So I've got some consistency, do listen to other stuff as well, but always these. These are absolutely blinking astonishing. They're 250 ohms, so you must have a headphone amp to get the most out of them. They'll still power off your MacBook Pro headphone jack socket, but you'll never appreciate what you're really getting. So what do I recommend for these? So there's a couple of amps at different prices. First of all, there's the iFi audio hip DAC, which is a nice little portable amp DAC. There's also the iFi Zen DAC, which is more of a desktop solution. If you want to spend some more money, you can go to the new THX Onx DAC dongle that I recently reviewed. And if you want to go further, you've got things like, which I really like with these, is the iFi DSD Diablo, which is a £900 headphone amp. And with that combination and anything I've listened to, the audio dynamic range is outrageous. So what I mean is that when you've got songs that just keep peaking and pushing and going louder, there's suddenly like this extra wideness and you can feel it as the crescendo of a song is getting higher and higher. You're not getting capped by, but what Bluetooth headphones, for example, would suddenly cut the range off. These just keep going and going, and everything gets even wider and more expressive and more powerful, and more powerful and more powerful again. They just have the most engaging sound ever. Great sound stage, phenomenal bass. I mean, these are open back, for crying out loud. The bass on these is fantastic, and at no detriment to the mids or the treble, not in the slightest. Some of the music I was listening to with the treble and the mid-range is just, they're so delicate, they're so precise, they're so detailed. There's so many different instruments you can pick out. I mean, absolute bonkers good. I mean, comfort-wise, they fit on, they're really comfortable. I can have these on for hours and hours and hours. You just can't go wrong with these. I mean, seriously, seriously good. How do they compare to other headphones? Well, if you've got any particular headphones you want me to compare them to, the easiest thing is, because you're going to have your own favourite headphone, obviously, or ones you're interested in, just ask me in the questions below. I answer every question, so don't worry about that. I will get back and answer every single question. So you might want to know about the Sandaras, Hi-Fi Man Sandaras and so forth. Just ask the questions, because I don't know what headphones you might like. I have listened to a vast number, and I'll be honest, if I've not heard your particular headphone, I'll tell you. Anyway, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Catch you guys soon. Bye for now.